The bedroom is not just a space for sleep, it's a private haven for relaxation, unwinding, and even studying. Therefore, it's crucial to keep it comfortable and cozy, regardless of its size. However, designing a small bedroom requires careful consideration, and some may lose inspiration for creating an enchanting atmosphere. Many assume that small spaces are only suited for plain decoration. To help, here are 10 unique wall painting ideas for small bedrooms. As always, to stay updated with our next video, press subscribe if you haven't already. Number 10. Show off your artistic side with an ombre wall. Ombre is a look that can be applied almost anywhere, from clothes and shoes to hair, makeup, and wall decor. Although this trend has been around for ages, it continues to captivate us. This aesthetic can transform your wall bedrooms, lending a cozy appearance. To achieve this look, you will need at least 2 colors that blend well, along with a paintbrush, primer, and tape. First, prime the wall with white primer and allow it to dry completely. This helps prepare a surface for paint adhesion and seals any wall discolorations. Next, divide the wall into 3 horizontal sections using tape and begin coloring. You can create more sections for gradual color transitions, especially with contrasting shades. Start by painting the top and bottom sections with each color and let them dry. You can choose to go from dark to light or vice versa. Mix the 2 colors and apply it to the middle section. Be sure to remove the tape once you've finished. Before the paint dries, quickly blend it into the top color using a dry paintbrush. Then, with another clean brush, blend the middle section down to the bottom of the wall. Number 9. Show off your accent wall. A small bedroom doesn't have to be monochromatic or plain. Adding an accent wall can bring distinct energy to the room. Typically, a room has 4 walls, and one that differs from the others is called an accent wall. This allows you to use a bolder color without overwhelming the space. An accent wall creates a focal point that instantly draws attention. However, be mindful, using the wrong colors can lead to unintended results. If you decide to paint your accent wall, opt for a darker shade than the rest. Alternatively, you can skip painting altogether and use patterned wallpaper instead. Number 8. A cabbage white bedroom idea. Bright colors are often favored in small bedrooms for their airy quality, which helps keep the room feeling open and spacious. One light color to consider is cabbage white, a subtle white with a hint of blue. When paired with pale-colored furniture, cabbage white creates a fresh ambiance that looks simple yet calm and revitalizing. Number 7. Love at first blush wall color ideas. If you adore pink but worry that it might overwhelm your bedroom, consider using a blush shade. A white paint with pink undertones adds warmth, making anyone in the room feel more comfortable. This bright hue will also visually expand your space. Pairing it with a zebra-patterned rug and some gray furniture adds visual interest, ensuring your small bedroom remains cozy without being overly feminine. Number 6. Painting the walls the same color as the ceiling. A clever painting trick to make a small bedroom appear larger is to paint the walls the same color as the ceiling. This technique tricks the eye into thinking the wall and ceiling flow together, creating an illusion of space. However, you don't have to stick with a plain color. Consider a bold chevron pattern in 2 contrasting colors, such as black and white. This design will provide a fun look while also visually expanding the room. 5. Create a DIY geometric wall idea. Geometric patterns are an excellent way to add life to a plain bedroom wall, transforming it into a striking focal point. Not only are these patterns easy to create, but they also save you money on unnecessary accessories. To achieve geometric walls, gather paint, masking tape, and a roller. Start by painting the entire wall with your chosen base color and let it dry. Next, use masking tape to create the geometric patterns you desire. Roll paint over the taped areas and allow it to dry completely. After that, apply a second coat and let it dry. Finally, peel off the masking tape carefully to reveal your geometric design. 4. Add a mountain mural idea. Do you admire the beauty of mountains? If so, imagine waking up every morning at the foothills. You don't need a mountain retreat. You can bring the mountains into your bedroom. To create a mountain mural, gather 3 different colors of paint, a base color, white, and a dark shade, along with a paintbrush and pencil. Start by sketching the mountains on the wall. You don't have to be a professional artist, just have fun and let your creativity flow. Once your sketch is complete, begin painting using the darkest color on the bottom and the base color on the middle to upper sections. Next, carefully blend the remaining areas to achieve a smooth gradient. Mix white or dark colors to create different shades, then allow the mural to dry. 3. Painting a striped wall idea. When designing a small room with wall patterns, the stripe style you choose plays a crucial role. Large vertical or horizontal stripes are highly recommended to visually expand a room. Vertical stripes create the illusion of taller ceilings, while horizontal stripes can help widen a small space. Avoid tiny patterns as they can create chaos in compact areas. 2. Try using pastel colors. Pastel colors are renowned for making a room appear more spacious. Their bright hues reflect light, giving the room an open feel. Additionally, their soft tones have a calming effect, promoting relaxation. Before we wrap up our countdown, remember that every like, share, and comment helps us reach a wider audience. If you've watched this far, you know what to do. If the new voice kept you tuned in, give the video some hype to help it reach new heights. But if that feels like too much, just know you've done great by spending your valuable time here. With that, let's close our countdown with... Number 1, let's go bold. White isn't your only option for a small bedroom. While it's true that white can create a sense of spaciousness, you can also embrace bold colors. For a dramatic impact, splash your favorite bold color on one wall. To maintain balance, keep the other walls light. An accent wall with a vibrant shade will visually recede, making the space feel larger. Decorating a small bedroom can be enjoyable and yield amazing results. Oh, and by the way, at the SimFoam channel, you'll discover a range of lists that you won't find anywhere else. For example, we offer insights like 10 small bedroom ideas with big beds, 10 interior design tips to improve your sleep quality, and 10 creative DIY projects to revamp your shoe storage, among many others. Each list is compiled through extensive research and careful writing, with relevant sources included to enhance your learning experience. So, what are you waiting for? If you have some free time and internet access, follow the link in the description to fully explore what SimFoam has to offer. That's it for now. Before you go, please like this video if you enjoyed it. Feel free to comment or share it with your friends on social media or via email. Lastly, we look forward to seeing you again soon with more videos like this. Until then, thanks for watching.